Listen. So in S5 section, I drawn this figure, right? S7 section, can I give one dictation, amma? Dictation ichana? S7.
No, sir.
Na? Isometric projection definition chapana, axonometric projection. I'm talking to you. Whether I give one definition of axonometric projection, isometric projection, and its types.
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, okay. That I will give whenever, because today it is a combined session. I will start with new topic. Okay. So that topic, it is your look after to remind me whenever you are separate class. During that time, I will cover those topic. Only definitions and this figure I will explain. Okay. Before that, so we finished up to S7 here only. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
sir.
Take first topic, Amma.
Sir.
Isometric scale. Isometric scale. Take first topic. Construction of isometric scale. Construction of isometric scale. Construction of isometric scale. Listen, construction of isometric scale. Construction of isometric scale. What is this, Amma? Why we are talking about construction of scale? Normally, the scale which we are using, we cannot use in isometric scale. The reason behind is that the object is kept at an angle of 30 degree. How much it is kept? How much it is kept at an angle of
30 degrees.
30 degree. So now what I told, here we have apparent length. It is not true image, Amma, just like our shadow. Despite of our height remains same, but our shadow is always not equal to our height. It may be greater or it may be smaller. So due to that, we have to construct a scale. As you know, what is the value of pi? Value of pi.
3.14.
3.1412 or pi is equal to 22/7. It is an evaluated value, Amma. It is proved value. Similarly, we have to evaluate isometric scale. How I will evaluate? Listen carefully. There is one method, Amma. What is that method? Who is that? I also felt why that great man is not turned up. Huh? Now, this is isometric scale, right? So what I will do, simply, I will draw one horizontal line. From here, I will draw one horizontal line. So let us assume 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, around 60 mm. Can I draw perpendicular line? Can I draw perpendicular line? I will draw one perpendicular line. Okay. So I take a horizontal line. I will say this is the intersection of O. And this I will say B. Okay, na? I taken OB line. I drawn one perpendicular. Perpendicular means 90 degree. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Right. I will take 45 degree inclination. Why 45, Amma? Anyone can tell me how much I taken? 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. I will take 45-degree line. How much angle I taken?
40.
45. Can you remember in one of the ellipse, I taken 45-degree line?
Yes,
Can you
sir.
remember?
Yes, sir.
Jagratam. That you have to be remember. I will take this as A dash. How much angle I taken? 45-degree. Because I know that anything, if it is inclined in perpendicular line 45-degree, it will generate true length. It will generate true
length.
image.
True length.
So that's why due to that I constructed 40. In everywhere side view, we taken 45-degree line. Can you remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Side view, be careful. 45-degree is a bisector of 90-degree line. That's why we taken this. I will divide this into number of parts. I will divide this. 10 mm. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So I taken some. This is starting with. I will take this as a 0 dash, 10 dash, 20 dash, 30 dash. I'm taking everything with a dash. 50 dash, 60 dash, 70 dash. These all are true length. Agree? And this scale, I will claim it as true length. Agree? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
how much I want, Amma? I want 30-degree. How much I want now? How much I want? 30.
30-degree.
I will take 30. 10, 20, 30. I will draw the 30-degree line. 30-degree line is a apparent length. This is, I will write later. What I will do? I will draw parallel line passing from this. Parallel to this vertical line. 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 If it is 0 dash, it is 0. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. This angle is 30-degree. Now you see, I will name it as A. This length is called isometric length. Agree? Isometric means object kept at an angle of 30-degree. This is called isometric length. This is called true length. Now, I will solve. Can you note down this? Note down this figure. Make it fast.
Sir, repeat once. Once again, repeat, sir.
ఏం చేయలేదురా, just I taken one horizontal line, some length I measured, I drawn one perpendicular line. So this is 90-degree. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then I drawn one 45-degree line from B, that is intersecting perpendicular line. So wherever it intersected, because I know that 45-degree line is a true length. It represents true length. I measured all true length. Here to here, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. All I measured. Then what I did, but I don't want true length. I want isometric length. But isometric, instead of 45-degree, it is 30-degree. I taken 30-degree line. From again B as a center. So I taken this B as a center, drawn again. But what I did, I drawn parallel to this line. Parallel to this line. Parallel, because all are parallel. If it is a true length, it is apparent length. If it is a true length, it is apparent length. These all are apparent length. These all are true length. Always we know that true length is bigger value, apparent length is smaller value. Can you remember? Can you remember?
Yes, sir.
Jagrata Mamma. Everything I am using because I want to prove that value. Once you finish that figure, let me know. Cleverly, I did one thing, Amma. Can anyone tell me what I did exactly here? What I did? Anyone? I did something. What I did? Chapacha. Em ledamma. OBA dash is a one triangle. OBA is another triangle. Pythagoras theorem chadivara.
Yes, sir.
Pythagoras theorem.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Marchpoyara battam. I only
No,
created two
sir.
triangle, one with respect to true length, one with respect to isometric length. Now I will solve it. Listen carefully once it is finished. In triangle inte rastar na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure na? I don't know, Amma. A, B, O. I'm very weak in mathematics. Triangle A, B, O. Take small or capital, it does not make any difference. A, B, O. Okay na? Agree?
Yes, sir.
What is the angle, Amma? Can you tell me? 1 by cos 30. How much angle it is? How much angle it is? How much?
30 degree.
2.
1 by cos 30. What is the value of cos 30?
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Cos 30.
Root 2 by 2, sir.
Root 3 by 2.
3 by 2 is equal to 1 by root 3 by 2. Can I write 2 by root 3?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I? Yes, sir. You all are very great in mathematics, Ra. I am learning from you people. Can I write it? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Can I take one more triangle? In triangle A dash B O. What is the value? B A dash by B O.
Root 2.
Here also, if you want to write, you can write BA by BO. Here also, you can write BA by BO is equal to BA dash by BO. What is the value? 1 by cos 45 degree. Agree? Yeah? A dash BO. How much angle?
45 degree.
45 degrees.
What is the value?
1 by
Root
1 by root 2. Can I write root 2 by 1?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Dora?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, isometric length by true length. What is isometric length? BA by BO divided by BA dash by BO. Agree? This BO get cancelled. Yes, sir. Mathematics, Ra.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is this value? Can I write 2 by root 3 into root 2 by 1?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sorry, 1 by root 2.
2, yes, sir. 2 by root 3 by root 2
Ah.
by 1.
1 by root 2, Amma. Okay. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Acha, can I write root 2 by root 2 by root 3 into 1 by root 2?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Root by root 3.
2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Agree?
Yes, sir.
This root 2 get cancelled.
Root 2 by
Root 2
root
by
3.
root 3. What is the value? It is 9 by 11 or it is 0.816. Note it down. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Now, so what we concluded, what is this value? Listen carefully. Once you note it down, I will move towards this. That's why I'm waiting.
Sir, some
Not
are
bad.
in waiting room, it seems.
Yes, Amma, I told that, Amma, today I combined two sections, Amma, it is crossed 100. I can't do anything, Amma, because they given classes like this. Few people, they are in problem, Amma. I told before start of my class. Because when they given common time for two section, what can I do, Amma? Actually, I want to take one section and I want to skip other. But only problem is there 55, 56 are joining. So almost all 112, 10 to 12 students are in trouble, Amma. So that's why I told, stay down this any moment. If you lose your internet connection, somebody will occupy in place of you. Be careful. Total 1.5 hour, you should be attentive with respect to your internet. Right. It is finished. Finished.
Finish
Yes,
it.
sir.
Listen now. What is the meaning means? 1 mm is equal to 0.816 mm. If 1 mm is tilted at an angle of 30 degree, its length, apparent length is how much? 0.816. This is called true length and this is called apparent length or isometric length. Got it my point? Because angle is fixed. That's why we can evaluate, Amma. That's why we can evaluate. So 1 mm, if it is tilted at an angle of 30 degree, its isometric length is 0.8. Why we will call it as iso? Iso means same angle. Angle is not changing. This is the first. 10 mm is equal to how much?
8.7.
8.16 mm.
8.16 mm, Amma. 100 mm is equal to?
81.6 mm.
Same, Amma. I multiply this value. Idu mind dagara pettandi. One question will be there in your annual exam. Difference between true length and isometric length. This is the difference. Difference between isometric value and true value. This is the value. Ishtam vachindi rayali. Idu prove cheye avasaram ledhu. If he asked you to prove, then only you have to do this. Otherwise, no need. Got it my point? So it is so on. So isometric length is how much? It is fixed value. How you remember pi value? You have to remember this value. How much it is isometric length value?
0.816
0.816. 0.816. Idu mind dagara pettandi. Finished up. Right.
Sir.
Next. Okay. Isometric projection. Titles are important, Amma. Every title we are only bothered about this value. But you may get doubt because when I tell pi is already proved by someone. So here I proved this value. It is not an imaginary value. It is a real value by proving that. So that is the value. Next, isometric projection and isometric view. Isometric projection, titles, Amma. These all are titles. One thing I want to tell you people, every title we will use some content when we want to solve big problem. Every title, we will target this value. Remaining things are only for knowledge based. But this value is must throughout endeavor. Now, isometric projection and isometric view. This is the next title. Under this title, I want up to here. Isometric projection and isometric view. Listen. Right, sir, a title. How I will draw? Draw along with me. Take this 30. Draw simultaneously along with me. You can minimize my time. 40. 40. 31 rectangle. This length 30. Keep some space. 30. 20. 20. This. So this length is 20. Do it fast along with me. So it will minimize my time as well as your time. How much you will give benefit of doubt to me. Those many extra problem I will solve. 20, 40. This is 30. This is a figure. Draw na. Simultaneously, I will draw B also. Always, because S7 section, I not drawn isometric. First time I am drawing isometric. Here I will clarify. Draw one horizontal line, Amma. Take one point, and from that point, measure. I told that I will explain you how that we got. From that horizontal line, from this zero line, listen, 0, 10, 20, 30. From this line 0, 10, 20, 30. Both sides I measure 30, 30. This compulsory. What I did, I drawn one horizontal line. On that I marked one point. I kept my protractor, that center point with that. I measured 30 on right side, 30 on left side. Any doubts? Any doubts? Now, I will join these lines. I will join this line. And how I am drawing, draw like that only. Now, this is called 30-degree line. This is the figure we are drawing continuously throughout 10 years. Before start of unit 4 and 5, idu figure kavalama. First ide cheyali. Ee tarvatane story. Right. Next. This is over na. Yes, sir. Right. Listen now.
Sorry, you are not audible.
I am audible means I am not speaking anything. I am not telling any dimension. My intention is different. I will speak. Don't worry. I am not. I am here only. When I am doing something means I don't want to, because there I told value, here I don't want to tell value. I told that how I am drawing figure. Take this value less than 30. It is less than 20. Take this as a 25, 15. This is 32. Why I will tell later. I am not calculated, but still I want to tell something. These figures constructions are must, amma. It is realistic figures. This is figure. But right, this height is 40. But don't take 40. Take 32 something. This is 20. Take this as a 25, 15, 32. $20. $30. This is B figure. Again, take horizontal line. Mark point. Take 30 degree on both sides. 30, 30. Take this length. Take this length. This is 30 degree. 30 degree. Second figure over. I will keep. First I will finish all. Take 30. Now here you take complete 30. Take this 30. This has complete 20. Parallel to this 30. Take height 40. Complete height 40. 40. 40. 40. Vertically, height you have to take vertically. Vertically means perpendicular to the baseline. There is a baseline we drawn. The height you have to take vertically. This is 40. This is 20. Wait. I will take attendance and then I will keep one by one figure. Which figure you want? First figure finished.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second figure finished.
Yes, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir. Sir, explain, sir, second figure one.
అదే తర్వాత ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ తర్వాత నా డ్రా చేసినప్పుడే డ్రా చేయండి రా. ఎక్కువ మైండ్ అప్లై చేయొద్దు. when while explaining I want to tell. అదే మెయిన్. And who the guy who understand these three figure, he understand unit 4 and 5. These three figures are the symbolic representation of unit 4 and 5. Make it fast. ఇదు చిన్నదే రావాలి, ఇది పెద్దదే రావాలి. బట్ డైమెన్షన్ తేడా చేయొద్దు. ఇది 40, 20, 30. Once you finish, let me know. Finish ra. Yes, 7 people. It is your duty. Whenever you have separate class, first 1 marks, 2 marks, innoni complete cheyaledu. I not completed for your batch. You have to remind me. I will remember, but still what will happen sometimes due to hectic schedule, I am unable to recall my past memories. Be careful about that. Once you finish, please let me know, Amma. Figure neat రావాలమ్మా, అందుకే చెప్పాను ఇక్కడ figure important is its neatness and its construction.